Good morning. Today special video. I'm Icon Sunlight. But today was Samsung M11. This is new mobile. This is 2020 March 11. I'll show you how open box start. Beautiful box. The under box. Samsung M11. Also by size. Okay. This one. This one. Black color. 32 GB. For made in China. Open box. And Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow, beautiful. I'll open this one on the first. Wow. There is this is camera. White House factory. Oh my god, no way. Oh, checking inside. This one. What to do? There is helpful. Also have but this is GHz USB. Wow. But job fast. No super fast. No have. Old charging. Also, this one. Open. Wow. You be careful. And this one. Wow. Beautiful. Black color. Printer. Print. Together. This is first night. This is power of all. Sound. High. No. This one Type C. Voice. Speaker. ID card. SIM. Also have helpful. Checking camera. Wow, beautiful. Wait 1 minute later. checking sound. Start. Wow. Start. Complete. This is off. This one. No, Java. Wow. Full screen. Wow. Beautiful. I like it. Pause. Good mobile. I like it. Sometimes my type mobile smartphone means subscribe and pen our channel. Don't forget subscribe, post, notification, all of this.